Today we are talking about Citizen AI with Power Platform. Power Platform is a low-code, no-code platform provided by Microsoft. For the Citizen developers, you can create an application quickly without too much coding skills. With the power of Azure, we can embed the AI into the Power Platform for the Citizen developers with less coding skills. Here, I'm going to show one example about the common popular architecture, how we embedded the AI into the Power Platform. So here you can see we have a few streamlines. The left side is the data source. Typically, we have a streaming data and structured data like image, videos, audio, semi-structured data like the logs, JSON, XML, etc. We have structured data like a relational database, or we have the Cosmos Azure Data Service. To pre-process the data, we have power to the Azure Synapse Analytics. We can use the pipeline to process and save the data into the Azure Data Lake. We can also leverage the fast data load into the enterprise data warehouse with the Azure Synapse Analytics SQL pool. Or we can use the Azure Synapse Analytics to pre-process data, and so we can have a clean data set before we input into the Azure Machine Learning. After we have the clean data, we use the Azure Machine Learning to design the Azure Machine Learning models and train the model. After we have a good model, we'll get it deployed. And you can have different ways. We can deploy as a batch model with Azure Machine Learning pipeline. Or we can deploy it with a real-time inference provided by Azure Machine Learning. We have two approaches. One is we can use Azure Machine Learning managed endpoint, or we can use AKS, Azure Kubernetes Service. So with the prediction service, here we can interact with the machine learning model, use a customized application for endpoint and business users. Or we can use the batch model to do the prediction. The benefit of the Power Platform is here we can create Power Apps with low code together with the Power Automate. So here, for example, we can create a UI with parameters and click the button to do the prediction, and then we can leverage the Azure Machine Learning endpoint to do the real-time prediction with very little effort. Here we can also leverage the Microsoft Power BI. Like here, we can present the machine learning prediction in business report and dashboard. So for the real-time data, we can use it either to save the stored data for the model training. We can also, it's usually real-time data, we can also use it to do the consume and trigger the prediction if we need it. So as we have a powerful Microsoft and Azure technology behind the scene, we have a list of supporting technology like AAD, keyboard, monitor, app inside, security and DevOps, etc. to powerful our attacks. This is a simplified version of how we get this architecture deployed. For example, we have the semi-structured data. We process and store data in the Redis Lake. Then we use the machine learning to train and deploy the model for real-time inference. It can be deployed in, for example, ACI or AKS. So after we build a quick app with the Power App, we can interact with the endpoint directly from the Power App and get real-time response from the Power App. This will help us to provide the AI capacity for the Power Apps. This is one example about how you can trigger the AI machine learning endpoint from the Power App by leveraging the Power Automate. So from the Power App, if the user click the button, we can start the flow by first we set all the machine learning AI API keys, endpoints, define the output message prediction input, and we pass the JSON. Now we invoke the machine learning endpoint. We try to get the output value and return to the Power App, and the user will get a result immediately. This is one quick end-to-end architecture instruction on how you can leverage the Power Apps together with the Azure machine learning capacities to build a citizen AI for the Power Platform. Thank you.